Hey guys, Michael here from Dunn & Watson, and today we're going to have a look at what draw slide weight class you require for your application. Picking your draw slide weight class is extremely simple once you understand the following. Draw slides are assigned a weight class based on testing done on a 500 by 500 square draw. This weight is static and evenly distributed. It's important to note that as you increase the length of your draw slide, the weight capacity of the draw slide, even though it might be a 125 kilo runner, will diminish as you increase that weight past 500 mil. So we already have length of draw slide. We have positioning of weight. Is the weight static or is it non-static? The dimensions of the draw, have they far exceeded the 500 by 500 square testing? These are all points that need to be considered when factoring in your decision to pick a class of draw slides. We always recommend bumping up to the next series, but if you're unsure, at least build your draw to accommodate for the next series, because you're only talking about a couple of mil when you're building the draw. But when it comes to fitting, that couple of mil could easily be packed out if it wasn't required. But that's an important tip that we take into fabrication and we recommend to our customers. I hope this has been helpful. If you've got any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments below, or give us a call or flick us an email.